Hi Hania, welcome to the show. Currently जो आपका ड्रामा आ रहा है, I'm thoroughly enjoying it.
Thank you. कभी आपको ऐसे पता नहीं होता कि ये हिट होगा ये नहीं होगा? I'd be lying if I say no. Recently, but really depends on my mood, to be honest. Beauty as in makeup, or are we going deeper?
Lip gloss or lipstick? Blush or tint?
हाँ.
मीठी ईद या फिर बकरा ईद?
यार ये क्या सवाल हो गया? Yeah, haven't you tried it?
No, I haven't tried that.
You should. Am I a social media star? I have fallen in love with it.
Never have I ever used eyeliner as lip liner.
I don't know.
This has actually happened to me as well.
These are sweet. Love, what is that? Never have
I ever. Oh, okay, got it. You win this beautiful big hamper.
Sweet, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming.